afternoon, everyone. This is Tony from Her Homestead Skills, and well, today our weather has finally inched up a bit. We're at 63 degrees. I believe that's going to be the high today, 63 degrees Fahrenheit, and that would be 17 Celsius for Canadians. And well, Ontario lockdown is still in full force, and there are rumors abound that it's going to be extended again. There's also protests every single weekend, and sometimes both Saturday and Sunday in just about every town and city, protesting the lockdowns and demanding that they end. And these people actually, unfortunately, are getting ticketed huge. The church leaders are actually the ones that are really suffering the most. A couple of them have had, one in Alberta, one in Kitchener-Waterloo, and I believe there's a third someplace else. Oh yes, one in Aylmer. All have had their churches locked, and I understand that the fines are just astronomical, both personal and for the churches, because they defied the lockdown orders and would open for Sunday services. So, well, that's where we're at. This stuff has got to end. I don't, it's getting ridiculous all the way around. Anyway, fortunately for me, I did manage to confirm a garden plot, and that will keep me busy, something to do. Can't do any thrift store shopping because the thrift stores are also shut down. Once again, the only types of stores that are open at all are grocery stores and garden centers, and it's still been too cold for them to be of any real, to have any real product. But I think I've got to try to find a real plant nursery for some more interesting products. Anything that the garden centers could offer me is not really anything I want. So I did do another quick stop into Walmart today, and also decided to go to Dollar Tree. I haven't been to Dollar Tree in a long time, and they are one of the ones that are permitted to open to a limited capacity, but a lot of aisles closed off, a lot of things that they're not permitted to sell. So I did, once again, a little video. You can see for yourself what the situation is, and hope that changes soon. I also went to my garden and did a before shot, and hopefully there'll be quite a transformation in the next couple of weeks and months as the plants start to grow. Okay, that's it for now. I'll give you a little bit of a view of a Dollar Tree store here. I've heard of rumors where in the US the shop's shelves are empty. They're not empty here. Shelves are full. We're just not permitted to buy anything. Okay. that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll catch you on the next one.